The no command. Are you preparing a picnic with friends and thinking about bringing your dogs with you? One of the best things is letting the dogs run freely while preparing the picnic for your friends. But when the lunch comes out and it sometimes goes from a relaxed moment to a difficult one, our dogs who are playing freely in the meadows now are all gathering around us, not letting us eat because they are trying to take the food we prepared. How can we then teach them to respect our lunch? With a simple exercise, by teaching our dogs the value of the no word. No is a command, a word that dogs will hear many times during the course of their life. How do we teach it to them? With this simple exercise. Take a treat. You'll see your dog attracted by the food. It wants to take it. We mustn't teach it how to take the food without having permission to do so. Let's then start inserting the word no, which the dog already knows well. Let's keep our hand closed at the start. Wait before rewarding the dog until it stops trying to take the treat. Good girl, Lily. Slowly, we'll start opening the hand to show our dog the treat, asking it to respond to our no command, then reward it afterwards. In this way, we'll teach our dog patience and respect for the food that we're holding in our hands. If you have any difficulties, you can initially use a leash and collar to keep it from the treat. In this way, the dog will quickly start respecting the no command, and it won't touch the food without our permission.